High 16 after a low below zero, and this morning starting out well below zero, but we'll see a high temperature of 19, which is a little bit closer to normal for this time of year. Sunset at 4:17. It's our earliest sunset of the year, 4:17. Next week, we'll start to see that sunset increase, get later in the day. 16 in Hiles today, 17 in Sainer. It will be clouding up with a little south wind in the southern part of the area, maybe getting up to 23 in Grand Marsh. That's not all that bad. 20 in Withee, and it looks dry through the day, although tonight we could see some snow. The first little batch of snow moving on through. It could be an inch or two, especially in the northern half of the area. We'll see that during the day today, just kind of cloudy out there. And then as we head into tonight, probably 11 o'clock, midnight, we'll see this band of snow moving on through. An inch or two in the north, maybe a little bit less farther south, but you'll have to be mindful. Tomorrow morning, the roads could be a little bit snow covered for you as you commute off to work on Tuesday morning. Now, Tuesday, mostly cloudy skies. Here comes another storm system that'll affect your afternoon commute on Tuesday. And this one could produce a little bit heavier snowfall, mainly right through central Wisconsin. And it could be a few inches, going to taper off by Wednesday morning. So most of that snow coming through Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night. Wednesday, it's going to be tapering off. We might have a few flurries early, but some breaks of sun later in the day. Later this week, the main story is much colder weather. How much snow Tuesday night? Well, we're looking at 3 to 5 inches. Probably through the central part of the area. This could shift a little bit north or south yet, this heavier band of snow. But that's the range that we're looking at. So a winter storm watch has been posted for much of the area except the far north and the far south. So the highest likelihood is that heavier snow will come through central Wisconsin. Then breezy and turning colder on Wednesday. We're looking at a high of 25 early in the day on Wednesday, but then the temperature's falling and only in the teens on Thursday, 16 for your high. Pretty cold as we head into the weekend. There's a small chance for a little bit of light snow on Friday with a high of 13 there. Only 7 on Saturday. Now that could turn out to be the coldest day of the season so far, and low temperatures, look at that, Saturday morning, Sunday morning below zero.